If you're serious about trading and want to take your strategy to the next level, then you've got to backtest it. No guesswork, no emotional trading, just cold, raw data to prove what works and what doesn't. So I'm going to show you how to properly backtest your strategy and record this data and use AI to fix your strategy to bring you closer to profitability. So we're going to open Google Sheets here, and we want a similar table like this one that I've created here. You can use AI to help you create this table. Actually, any AI can do this, but specifically I'm gonna choose Grok. I'm gonna ask it to give me a template for a list of backtesting content that I'm gonna use for my strategy. So as you can see here, it shows the trade in numbers, the dates, time and entry, currency pair, is it a long trade or a short trade, entry price, stop loss, take profit, exit price, the date and time exit as well, the pips gained, pips lost, is it a win or a loss, and the notes you can take. But honestly, it depends on what you want to choose. You can choose some of these stuffs and you can choose to eliminate some, and you could even add more stuffs to it. Another method that you can actually use is through the use of Gemini, and Gemini is built into the Google Sheets, and you can actually get a 1-month free trial. So that's what I did here. You can just ask it to create a similar table from what Grok made, and it's gonna make the table for you. So as you can see, it gave me the symbol, entry price, exit price, direction, entry time, exit time, stop loss in pips, take profit in pips, the confluences, the results, and the RR. Let's break everything down and how it's gonna help us backtest our strategy. For example, right now I record on the GBP JPY. The entry price is 163.6 and exit price is 163.2. This is how we can know the price range that we're trading on and how many pips we take on a usual basis. And the direction, is it a long trade or a short trade? You can just select whether the trade was a long trade or a short trade. So for this one is a short trade. The entry time 10:30, exit time is 11. The stop loss in pips, this actually helps to know your average stop losses, how much you risk per trade, and also the take profit, how much you want to gain per trade. So as you can see here, this trade has 18 pips while the next one has 16.5, the next one has 19.5. So we can just say an average is 17 pips, and then the take profit as well, 27, 24 and 30. As for the confluences, you can write down each and every confluence that you have for your strategy. As for mine, you can see I use the OTE, FVG, order block, break of structure, sweep of liquidity and SMT. Each trade that I take, whenever these confluences get hit, I record them and list them down. On the ones that didn't get hit, I don't tick them. As you can see here, the results was a profit and the highest RR. This is actually good as well because you can know how far that trade went. Is it a 1-to-1, 1-to-2, 1-to-3? How much could you have gotten from that trade? Normally I go for a 1-to-1.5. So I check, has it touched a 1.1? Yes. Has it touched a 1.15? Yes. Has it touched a 1.2? Yes. And that's where it stopped. So I record the highest RR. It was a 1-to-2. It didn't go to 1-to-3 and 1-to-4. As for this second trade, it only reached a 1-to-1.5. Even the losses, let's say it hit a 1-to-1, but I didn't close the trade because I was looking for a 1-to-1.5. So you can see the 1-to-1 RR has been hit, so I ticked it off as yes. Moving to this side, these are formulas that I used Gemini to help me create calculations for how my trades are going. Let's say the win rate right here. So we can just ask Gemini to create a formula for my win rate based on the table. So as you can see here, this is the formula that Gemini has given me. So all I have to do is just copy it and then paste it right inside this column, this cell. The total wins as well, you can just ask Gemini to create a formula for how many profits are there in the results tab compared to the losses by the total amount, and also the total losses as well. Just do the same thing. Total long trades, which trades did you go long on? Total short trades as well, which trades did you go short on? The win rates, how many trades reached 1-to-3 RR? 1 to 4, 1 to 2, 1 to 1, 1 to 1.5. The confluences as well, how many trades has hit the confluence. Is it 18 trades, 19 trades, 18, 16, 16? I didn't really check for SMT much, so that's why it's at 0. Right now, let's try and change one of these wins and make it a loss. So I'm just gonna change this. As you can see, it says total losses 11, total wins 8, and then the win rate has changed as well. That's just how it actually works. It's pretty easy, and through the use of AI, it makes this way better. So how can we actually make this backtesting better? You can actually ask AI to review your table and mention your flaws and strengths, and also what you can improve on. AI is actually going to calculate the metrics based on the data that I've provided. So it says my strengths are I have a profitable overall, and that most of my trades are profitable. And my weaknesses is that my win rates, and potential improvements is that I can analyze my confluences better, optimize risk to reward ratio, improve my risk management, explore entry and exit strategies. And it says overall your strategy has the potential to be profitable, but the low win rate is a major concern. By focusing on improving your win rate and optimizing your risk management, you can enhance the performance of your strategy. Another way to actually improve this is by giving AI a strategic prompt that's going to help you build your strategy and make it very systematic, so that you don't make decisions based off of your emotions. So this is the prompt. You have an IQ of 180, you're brutally honest and direct, you have deep expertise in psychology, strategy and execution, you care about my success but won't tolerate excuses. Your mission is to identify the critical gaps holding me back, design specific action plans to close those gaps, push me beyond my comfort zone. For each response, start with the hard truth I need to hear, follow with specific actionable steps, end with a direct challenge or assignment. After giving this prompt to AI, you can actually explain your strategy and how it works, and AI is gonna give you critical ways to break it down and fix those small issues that you have, and it's gonna give you assignments and challenges to face those issues and fix your strategy. Maybe you just enter based off of price tapping somewhere, and it's not really systematic and it's more emotional based, not because it says that in the recorded data. So AI is going to try and help you and fix those issues that you're going to have. So now I'm just going to show you a live example of how to actually backtest this data using a free website. I use this website called Traders Casa, and I'm going to link it down in the description. Basically, this is how I do it, right? For example, if I'm going to take a long trade right here, I'm just going to put a long trade, maybe put my stop loss at 19 pips and go for a 1 to 1.5. Perfect right here with a 29 pip profit. And I'm just going to record it here, GBP JPY. I'm going to put my entry price 170.7, and then I'm going to put a long trade entry time. Maybe this is at 9:30, and my stop loss is at 19 pips. Take profit 29 pips. And let's just say my confluences were FVG, order block, break of structure, sweep of liquidity. And then we're just gonna come here and play the trade out and see where it goes. All right, that was a clear loss. I'm just gonna place a loss right here and record when price hit the stop loss. So it was around 2:30 and price hit stop loss at 170.5. And since price just went directly downwards, we're not gonna record anything for the RR. And as you can see here, my win rate has changed, my total losses has changed, my total long trades, short trades, and it just records the data as I'm using it. So there you have it, a simple way to improve your trading by backtesting it and using the innovations of AI. This isn't just about saving time, but it's about trading smarter and building confidence in your trading and your system and how you actually use your strategy. Backtesting is a very good way to improve yourself and know whether your strategy actually works or not. So please use this technique the best you can and really grab the advantages of AI, because it is taking over the world, even trading. If you like this type of content, please subscribe and drop a like, and also give your thoughts down in the comments. Thank you for watching.